Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming a how I curl my hair video. I'm going for quite a chill beach vibe look today. This video wasn't even planned because I plan out all my videos in advance, and I thought I was going to do my Mexico vlog with my Mexico haul all in one. And I sat down to film it and I was like, my hair looks a mess. I was like, do you know what, I'm going to curl it, and do you know what, I'm going to make a video of it. I hope you all enjoy. So let's get on with it. So the first thing I'm actually going to do in this process, which seems weird, but I'm going to straighten my hair. I already straightened some of it. I like to make a video of like everything in my life at the moment. This straightener's like so hot. But just kind of straighten your hair as much as you can. I think it makes the curls then come out more kind of defined. So I've now straightened my hair and I'm going to put my straighteners down. Fun story for you, when I got my straighteners out, I always like to sit on cushions when I'm sat here. So I got my cushions out and I put my straighteners on. I dropped one of my cushions on the straighteners, picked it up straight away. My cushion had already melted onto the straighteners, so I had to let them cool down for like 10 minutes and then like wipe them clean with like train tickets and tissues before I could actually use them. I've had my curling on like warming up for like last 5 minutes, and it turns out I'd forgotten to plug it in. So basically the first thing I will do, I will put my curlers on to heat up. And then I section my hair. I like to use a paddle brush, but I've left it on my desk and I cannot be bothered going to get it. So I'll grab the top section of my hair. So I like to put it up in a bobble at the top. And then I like to then bun that, because putting it up in a bobble is alright, it kind of gets out of the way, but then you might accidentally curl it with the rest of this. So I like to then put it in a bun on top of the bobble. Using my big scrunchie. So that is now done. So now I've just kind of got the bottom section to play around with. So now I've got my hair up and my curlers heated. I then section it off. So I start at the left hand side, and what I think I've always been doing wrong, not wrong, but I feel like everyone likes curling their hair their way, like their own way. Everyone's got their own way of doing it the way they like it. The way I like it, I could never get it. And the reason I could never get it the way I liked it was because I was doing the sections too small. But now I've kind of learned that I need to have bigger sections of hair for the way that I want to do my hair. So I do that, and then instead of like flattening it on the iron, I like to kind of get it in like a lump, you know, like a clump, like to scrunch it together. And then about here, just before my blonde starts. And then I wrap it under the clip. Like that, so try to keep it kind of like scrunched up the whole time and not flatten it onto the iron. And I leave it there for a little while. And I just kind of feel the hair there. And then I try to kind of curl it around the wand, so it's not, you know, it ends up like a straight line because it just comes straight off the wand. Kind of try to curl that bit around. And then I take it off. That is my next section there. I'm doing the exact same. Get that underneath the clip and then wrap it round. All the way up to the end. I always struggle with the right end bit because I want to get it, I want to push the clip down onto it, but then I don't want to trap my fingers under the clip. So I just kind of leave it for a little while. Again, turning it in the direction of where it's going. So if that makes sense, I'm kind of turning it in that direction. So I'm just going to carry on doing the bottom section of my hair, and then once that's done, I'm going to go back up to the top section and do the exact same thing again. So that's about the amount of hair I like to take, but like I said, everybody is different with that, and I always like to curl away from my face. I feel like if I do this properly and like not talking, actually get on with it, I could probably do it in about 20 minutes. Which is good for me because it used to take me about an hour to curl my hair and I hated the outcome. So I think it just depends. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, because I've done all the bottoms, I'm getting a bobble and taking all the bottom pieces together and just sticking a bobble in there to hold it all away and together. And then I take down my bun on the top. Hey guys, so I'm now back. I've curled my hair and I've left it for a little bit just to kind of settle down. And then once I've done that, I kind of just go over the bits that I'm not as like keen on. So I've reheated my curling iron now. And just parts like this little bit here at the front, I just think that's a bit too straight. It's not fully where I want it to be yet. And then I like to kind of like style it anyway, so like I'll put a bit up or whatever I want to do with it. Gonna go ahead and grab the piece that I think just kind of need the extra work. So guys, I'm probably gonna leave it there with the actual curling of my hair because I don't want to overdo it. I don't like it when I overdo it. And I think with me, it depends what mood I'm into, how much I actually curl it. But today I think I'm just gonna leave it there because I kind of like, you know, kind of like the natural beach wavy look rather than every curl being exactly the same. And I'm just going to kind of mess around with it a little bit, put it up a little bit and just kind of finish it. I always find this so difficult to try and get it so it's even, but it's not too much. Once I've got my hair up, I'll use a couple of clips to kind of clip it in place, like the little bits here that have come out of place. Just got that clip there. I'm just going to stick that through the middle so it kind of hides the clip a bit. So it kind of looks like, just kind of like a bit of a messy, high part up pony. Kind of pull it up here. And then it depends how I feel. Sometimes I like recurl certain bits that are now on show that weren't before. But today I'm not actually that fussed. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it. Pretty much the finished look now. I tidied a few bits up. I've got my hair tied. And I'm pretty much done with it. But yeah, this is how I'm doing it for today, but it does change, you know, depending on my mood. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it, and now I'm going to go and film the original video I was actually going to film. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye, guys!